สวัสดีครับ Today we are making the most iconic Thai street food, papaya salad or Som Tum. There are many variations of the papaya salad, but today we are making the most common one, Som Tum Thai. It's so refreshing and it's a great dinner option for a salad. It's a perfect balance of sweet, sour, saltiness, and spicy flavors. Let's get started. Here what you need: 150 grams shredded of unripe papaya, 30 grams shredded carrot, 50 grams green beans or long beans, 7 to 9 cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 35 grams palm sugar, 2 lime wedges, 2 Thai chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, 1/8 teaspoon MSG. This is totally optional, but MSG will make all the flavor to blend together nicely. Also, most Thai street vendors use a lot more MSG for their papaya salads, so it is very common in any Thai dishes. For the papaya, make sure to use unripe green papaya, not the sweet orange one. It should be firm and pale green. First, let's prep all ingredients. Start by removing the tip and slide green beans into 1-inch sections. It is easier to just grab a whole bunch and cut them all at the same time. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. You can also use a regular tomato for your papaya salad, that's also fine. Peel and shred the carrot using a grater or a shredder. Shredded carrots is optional, but we like to add them to give a nice orange separation color in our papaya salad. They also pair really well with the shredded papaya. Next, the crucial part. Cut the tip of papaya and scoop out the seed by cutting in half. Then peel the papaya with a peeler. Make sure to wash the peeled papaya to remove the slimy texture from the surface and dry it using paper towel. Next, shred the papaya using a julienne peeler that can be bought from an Asian store. Traditionally, you will see Thai people using a knife chopping down on the papaya and slide it to give it a nice thin papaya strands. But more and more Thai people starting using a julienne peeler because of the ease of use and it feels safer on the hand. You don't want to be accidentally chopping on your finger. It also gives you the same texture anyway, so why complicate things? Once you have enough shredded papaya, make sure to soak the shredded papaya in ice cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes before draining out the water. This will make the papaya to be crispy and stay fresh. In a mortar and pestle, start by adding 2 cloves of garlic and 2 Thai chilies. Pound them just enough to release their oil and aroma. This is what gives papaya salad that punch of flavor right from the first bite. If you don't have a mortar and pestles, you can also use food processor to mince the garlic and chilies and mix everything in a large bowl. Then add roasted peanuts and crush them with the pestles. Peanut is the key ingredient for papaya salad. It's supposed to have nutty flavor. Again, you don't need a mortar and pestles to make a papaya salad. You can crush the peanut using a food processor beforehand. Next, add the palm sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, and MSG as optional. Mix everything together until the sugar dissolves. MSG is added just enough to enhance and bring all the flavors together nicely. About 90% of Thai street vendors in Thailand put MSG in their papaya salad. Without it, the flavor will become too salty or too sour. Then add the green bean and tomatoes and lightly bruise them with a pestle. Not too hard, just enough to soften them and release their juice. Now, add shredded papaya and shredded carrot. Then gently pound and toss everything together. If you don't have a large mortar, you can always use a mixing bowl and a wooden spoon to combine everything. The goal is to coat the papaya evenly with the dressing. Taste and adjust. You can add more fish sauce if you want it saltier, more lime juice for extra tang, or more sugar to balance the heat. And your papaya salad is ready. Serve your papaya salad fresh. Top with extra peanuts. It goes perfectly with sticky rice and grilled chicken. A classic Thai street combo. A little tip, make sure to make papaya salad just before serving. It is best when it's fresh and crunchy. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Thai dishes. Drop in a comment below what you'd like to see for my next recipe. Thank you for watching and enjoy!